Hello, this is Dave Marshall, and what I'd like to do today is show you how to draw orthographic block number 7. What we're going to need today is a sharp pencil, some orthographic graph paper, and the sheet that shows drawings 5 through 8. Let's take a closer look at orthographic block number 7 to see what makes it different from our basic orthographic block shape. Let's again put our red X down and look at the front view. We notice that there's a diagonal cut out of the upper left-hand corner. Moving on up to the top view, we'll get our drone out again and look down at it. I kind of see this like N shape, or this cut that goes all the way through the block. And looking at it from the side, if I was standing over next to the number 7, it looks like I've got 3 1-inch by 2-inch tall rectangles. Okay, let's start to draw block number 7. Remember, we got that diagonal cutting down in the front view. It's 4 inches from the right side, or actually from the left side. If I count over, it's 1 inch. So I'm going to count over 4 squares. I'm going to put my dot, and I'm going to draw that line down diagonally. Again, this time my line is not going to go on any of the graph paper line. And that completes my front view. I'm then going to take my dot and I'm going to make some projection lines going up to my top view off that intersection point. That transfer that information up to the top. And then I'm going to go over and I'm going to count over 4 squares, which is 1 inch. And I'm going to go into, which is 8 squares. And I'm going to start to make that cutout that makes that like N shape, or that little cut that goes all the way through from the top view. Now I'm going to go over 4 more squares, which is 1 inch. And then draw that back over to the edge here. And that's going to make my block N shape at the top. I'm just going to go take that projection line and I'm going to make a construction line out of it. And my top view is complete. If I look at my drawing in the upper left-hand corner, it looks like the top. At this point, I'm going to make some projection lines from my top view over to my rebound line, again, where 2 lines intersect in my top view. I'm going to hit my rebound line and I'm going to come down 90 degrees, again staying right on a graph paper line, making my projection lines down. Then I'm going to go grab that other intersection point there and bring that information over in a projection line. Hit my rebound line right there, come down 90 degrees, making sure I stay right on a graph paper line. And now if I look at my side view, I can see those 3 rectangles we were talking about before, the ones that were 1 inch across and 2 inches tall. So now I'm just going to take those projection lines and make construction lines out of them, and that's going to show my completed side view. At this point, I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to clean up the drawing and erase the parts that I don't need. Here we go again, making object lines. I'm getting out my marker. Remember, you're using your pencil, and we are going to make some bold lines that show the final shape or the object. And there we have it, orthographic block number 7. Congratulations, nice job.